Arrive in style with this Honda 2019 Civic EX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio data system, radio, 180-watt HD audio system, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual zone AC, rear window defroster and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.